So, Global Solutions are here to assist you and provide you the services to register for your EPR authorization. Step by step, we are going to help you to register for your EPR authorization. We are here going to give you the one-stop solution because we ourselves are the authorized recycler by the CPCB by the name of Global Waste Solution. We have the capacity of more than 18,000 of metric ton. We have the tie-up with our biggest brands like Paytm, Udan, Siska, Subros, Meanwell, RappiPay. So, what you guys are waiting for? Please register now for the EPR authorization and contact below. You will see the number on the screen. For any further clarification or queries, we are going